everyone, welcome to WinPIPE. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use WinPIPE to build a model using B31.3 Appendix S S302 as our example. There are many ways to build a model, and in this case we will use shortcut key to create elements in our model. Let's start WinPIPE. Go to Menu Spreadsheet and select Element List and Geometry. Hit F12 8 times to create 8 elements. Put them in the center. Remove Rotation Center. Make them transparent. Show nodes. Let's use the spreadsheet to adjust the size and the direction of each individual element. For this element, change it from horizontal to vertical up. For this element, to vertical down. Now let's focus on the graphics. Activate Line Element. Select the first element. Go to Operations tab. Click Break. For this element, select the second radial button for an uneven break. Activate Point Element. Select nodes 10 and 90. Add anchors. For nodes 20 and 80, add Y restraints. For nodes 30, 40, 60, and 70, add bends. Finally, for node 50, add a plus Y restraint. Let's check properties. Go to the first element. Go to Geometry tab. Enter Allowance. Go to Material tab. Select a pipe material. Select Fluid and Insulation. Go to Menu Data Screen and select Settings and Parameters. Set a few parameters in this dialog box. We are now done with the pipe layout modeling. Before we leave, let's save the job as B31.3 S302.